I'm Chris, and this is my 2004 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. And today we're going to be putting a hood latch lock kit on it. So on these Jeep Wranglers, anybody can just walk up to your Jeep and open the hood. They can pull this cold air intake. This is a $300 kit that comes with this divider. That'd make me mad. Take the battery out, $50 to $100. They could siphon all your windshield washer fluid out, $3. But the point is, it doesn't really matter what they did. If you came out and found your vehicle with the hood open, you'd be freaking out. So let's get this lock on it. All right, so I got this on the internet. A company called Tuffy makes it. There's the back. There's your part number. So I think it was $40 or $45. Let's see how easy or hard this is to put on. Front. Back. That's what it looks like. That's what it comes with. So the hardware is 7/16. So the electrical harness runs across here. So we're going to have to push this little piece out like that. Alright, then you're going to fish it inside the grill. Washer, then bolt. Watch out for that wiring harness. Okay, so it's going to have these kind of barbs that stick on the other side right here. Kind of pull them close. And we're going to put this on the other side and tighten it up. Okay, so I have no choice but to wrap this up. I cannot fit my hand in there. Okay. You may have to adjust it a little bit. Mine pretty much is going to be mounted right here. Now I'm going to take some little grease because that thing's dry. It's been eating the plastic up. Just lubricate that little striker a little bit. Alright, get it where you want it and then tighten it down. So if the latch doesn't go in there, you need to adjust that. I need to move mine to the left a little bit. Okay. So the lock's in there. You can barely see it. That was my concern, was how visible was this lock going to be, and it's not that bad. You don't notice it. Okay, so the first thing that really needs to be done is you need to take this key and you need to grind it like that, because this wants to knock the paint right off the Jeep, which is not cool. So now let's try to lock the hood latch. Okay, somebody's trying to open it. It blocks it. When you pull that lever, you pull the latch out, so it's just blocking it where it can't move forward. So when you push a little button, it doesn't do anything. So it works. So for about $45, it is going to take you about an hour to get that thing on there, because you're going to have to adjust it and play around with it. But I feel so much better having a lock on this Jeep, and you really don't even notice, well, you don't notice it's there. Be careful, don't scratch the paint off your Jeep. I will be cutting these keys and making them slim so they don't touch right there, because they will knock your paint off. Other than that, great product. I love it. Recommend it to anybody. Go out and buy one. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.